Welcome to Elementary Moo Moo Math. In this video, let's learn how to use the dollar sign and the cent sign the right way. Imagine you have a dollar bill and a quarter. If you add this up, you have $1.25. But how can we write this? First, the dollar sign always goes on the left and is used anytime you have a decimal point. So it could be written with the decimal point and the dollar sign on the left. Or it totals 125 cents. You could also write it with the cent sign, but not use a decimal point, and the cent sign goes on the right. So it would be written like this. Remember, the dollar sign is on the left and is used if there is a decimal or even if there's not a decimal. The cent sign is on the right, but no decimals. Let's test your knowledge. Which of these is written correctly? Yes, this one is correct. Remember, the dollar sign goes on the left. How about this? Which one's correct? Remember, the dollar sign is used with decimals, even if the number is small. Okay, how about this one? Yes, this one is correct. Remember, the cent sign goes on the right. And finally, what value does this represent? Because the cent sign is on the right and no decimal point, it tells you you have $6.25. So you could rewrite it like this, and put the dollar sign on the left. So in summary, the dollar sign on the left is used with or without decimals. The cent sign on the right, no decimals.